You're going to send that to pendle?
No, just...
What's your man called? He's got it.
Parrot again?
Parrot now.
What's he called, your man?
Alan?
From Saltgate.
Yeah, last time here, I seen that fishery, he caught it. It's big and all.
Slightly bigger.
About the same, I think. It's over 20, isn't it?
We started recording.
Yeah.
YouTube fan.
So give it some.
Just like to tell Alan Saltgate, this is his
Out again.
20-pound parrot made fish he caught about 12 months ago, 18 months ago, something like that. Pristine condition apart from its mouth. Pendle view fisheries. Northern water. With a 21 pound actually to be exact. Beautiful fish. Apart from its mouth, check its mouth out.
Yeah. So we get a close up on that.
Yeah. Interrupting his career, this fish, but all welcome. Let's get a shot up the side of it.
But Spain still don't have a recognised striker out there on the field.
It's going mad.
What they have exhibited tonight
She's going mad.
At the back is togetherness,
A bit better.
intelligence, but the three centre-halves
Needs to be a bit closer with this camera. It's better to see colours on it better now.
fantastic. They
Yeah.
really have been excellent.
Well.
Xavi in possession for Spain.
Nice.
The Italian half tries to slide it through to Cesc Fabregas.